If you love to hear and see the story, then today's story is Be Helpful. A man and his wife were awakened at 3 a.m. by a loud pounding on the door. The man got up and opened the door to a drunken stranger standing in the pouring rain, asking for a puss. Not a chance, said the husband. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. He slammed the door and returned to bed. Who was that? Asked his wife. Just some drunk guy asking for a puss, answered the husband. Did you help him? Asked the wife. No, I didn't. It's 3 in the morning and it's blooming well, pouring with rain out there, said the husband. Well, you have a short memory, said the wife. And for the continue, can't you remember about 3 months ago when we broke down and those two guys helped us? I think you should help him. God loves people too, said the wife. The man sighed, got dressed, and walked out into the pounding rain. He called out in the rain, Hello, are you still there? Yes, the voice came there. Do you still need a push? The husband asked. Yes, please, the voice said. Where are you? I cannot see in the dark. The husband said. Over here, in the swing, the voice said. How did you like the story? If you like the story, comment, share it with everyone. If you love the story, subscribe to the channel.